It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be making our favorite copycat Taco Bell recipes. And mine is the Mexican pizza. Daniel and Doug's is the Crunchwrap. They'll be doing that. What I'm going to need, well, for both of them, I'm going to need burger. And we've got some ground pork, too, to mix in. We have 4 pounds here. You can make however much you want. And seasoning. You can make your own seasoning, but we're going to do the Taco Bell seasoning. Shredded cheese. I'll be shredding 2 blocks of cheese here. Red enchilada sauce. Well, I have the mild. Whatever kind you want. Flour tortillas. And for the toppings, it'll be tomato. This is an onion that was a volunteer in our greenhouse, and I went and cut that. We're going to use the green of the onion. And I'm going to put some sour cream on mine. First thing I'm going to do is fry up our burger and sausage. And while that's a frying, I will cut up the tomato, onion, and shred the cheese. We'll be back when that gets done frying. Okay, I got the burger fried up and pork. I'm going to put in the water that's on the pack, how much you're supposed to put in. I think mine is 3/4 cup per package. Okay, now we're going to put in all the seasoning packs. Then I'm going to stir it up, bring it back to a boil, and simmer for about 10 minutes. While that's simmering, I got some oil in my pan here. I've got the tortillas here, and I've pricked some holes in it with a fork. And I'm going to put this in the oil for about 30 seconds each side. The holes are supposed to keep it from bubbling up so bad. So it's still going to bubble up. I'll turn it on this other side. And I'll do all 4 of these, and then I'll get back with you. I've also got a pan over here with some paper towels and a cooling rack. And I'm going to put these on as I cook them. Okay, we got those fried up. And the burger. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to switch this with a cookie sheet, since I'm just going to make 2. Okay, I'm going to take some refried beans, spread on it. And then let me get a spoon. I want to put some of the burger on it. I've got my oven set to 450. I'll put some cheese. And I'll put another one on top. Get some of the enchilada sauce. And then put some more cheese. Then I'll do the other one here. I'll put them in a 400 degree oven for about 8 to 9 minutes. And I'll be back then. I got both those done. I'm going to put them in the oven, and while they're in the oven, Doug and Daniel's going to show you their favorite.
Alrighty. Me and Dan, we like the Crunchwraps. Now, I thought I got the biggest ones, but apparently I didn't. So we're going to improvise a little bit. What we'll do, we'll start off with some sauce here in the middle. Take some cheese, put on top of that there. Then take our tostada, or however you say that. Now, we'll put on some sour cream on that. Didn't shake it up good. Now, take some lettuce, place on that there. Some tomatoes. Now, how we're going to improvise, I think this might work. Like I said, apparently they sell bigger ones. We'll place that on top of there, and then we'll come around, seal this up like so. Now, if we can keep it from flying apart till we get over here to the stove, should bring us, if we don't fly apart there. Now, hopefully that'll lock it in place. Let it cook there for just a minute. Don't want to burn it up. Better do it just a little bit longer. Tell you what, we'll probably flip it back over in a second and cook that just a little bit longer there. Probably about 15-20 seconds on each side. if it don't fly apart when we go to flip it back over here again. We'll let Daniel give it a try here in a minute, see if it's anything like his from out there. We get us a plate. All right, let's go ahead and flip it back over here one more time.
Oh, you'll be eating it on a plate. So.
Why, yeah. Uh-oh, coming apart there. Alrighty, let's see how it cuts up here. Alrighty. There we go. We'll get Dan to give it a try, see how it is. Plation's back up here. Carolyn's getting hers prepared over here. Don't wreck it, Dan.
Sure.
Oh gosh, is it wrecking?
No. That is really good.
Does it crunch?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, folks. That's mine and Dan's favorite from out there is the Crunchwraps. I'll give this here to Dan. He can take that in there. We'll fix some more here in just a minute. Let's see what Carolyn's is here.
Okay, here it is out of the oven. Now I'm going to just add some tomatoes. And some onions. And I'll add some sour cream here whenever I try it out. I'm going to try and cut this like a pizza. Everything don't come sliding out. They have to eat with a fork. I don't think they put as much stuff in it as I do. Okay, I'll give it a try. I think I've stuffed it a little bit more than...
Shug?
Huh?
It's been a while since we've been out there, but I believe you've got more cheese
Yeah.
than what they...
I add extra cheese to my stuff. Yep, it's really good. All right, I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Homeland's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Homeland's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeland's homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky. Seasons change, but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Home's homestead life. Waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open. Springtime on Home's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Home's home.